Hey y'all, come on into my kitchen. This is Meso. Today we're going to be having some fun. We're going to be making my famous lemon blueberry muffins. And guess what? I got some helpers in the kitchen with me today. So here are our ingredients, and you see what we got here. Everything here is room temperature. And I want to just draw your attention to the lemon juice. This is the juice of 4 lemons, the recipe calls for, but of course it depends on what size lemons that you have. If you have some little bitty tiny lemons, then you want maybe 4 or 5. If you have some really big ones, you want 3. But if you have medium lemons, possibly you can use the 4 fresh squeezed lemon juice. Here I have some sugar going into this bowl, and I have this room temperature butter. This is not melted butter, it is room temperature. So it's just very soft. I've got 2 room temperature eggs here. These are just regular large eggs, and I'm going to give them a little whip to bring them together, and then I'm going to put them into this bowl with the sugar and the butter. Here's my little helper. Yeah, this is Princess Ava, and so she wanted to do some stirring. She couldn't believe you could stir this up with just the butter not being melted, but I said no, it's room temperature, and so she's able to deal with it. She is stirring it up for me. It's not hard at all. I am putting in my baking soda. Now look guys, don't worry a lot about the measurements or what's going in, because when this video is over, then look right down in the description box right under the video, and you can click on that link that tells you that takes you right to my website, and you can get a free printable recipe over there with the exact measurements. I'm putting in some water, and Ava got a little tired. She wanted me to stir a little bit, so I'm gonna stir for her. Now here, watch this. Ava was so excited. You should have heard her squeal when she saw the reaction. She's like, oh, it's causing a reaction. Yes, it is. The lemon juice in there with the eggs and the butter. So it made it look a little bit foamy, but it's okay. And so we're going ahead and getting the flour in, and now the stirring is gonna become a little bit more difficult, but not hard at all. These kids need to develop those good old arm muscles and hand muscles so that they can stir, and that's what they're doing here. So Ava is stirring it, and we are talking, having fun. Now Nicholas is around in here somewhere, and Ava, I'm gonna stabilize this bowl for her. She's getting it. Look at her. Go, girl. She wants me to help her, though. So now I'm going to take it, and I am going to stir a little bit. So you're going to stir this in all, maybe, I guess 3 minutes, or just so you don't see any really big lumps. So there she goes. Now she's getting tired. She's calling Nicholas over to help her. Now here he brings his big old 14-year-old muscles over here, and he's demonstrating how this should be done. Yeah, he is stirring for us, and he's going left hand, right hand, So he's gonna finish this up, honey. He's gonna land this plane for us. So come on, Nicholas, let's go. So you ought to hear the conversation in here between these kids. Okay, we got the muffin pan here, and Nicholas is finishing up with the last little bit of the stirring, and now we're going to get these muffins into the pan. Now watch these guys. They're trying to hurry up and see who can get the most papers in the cup, between each other and all that. But guess what? These muffin papers are for the really big muffins that go in the really big muffin pans, and so I have a regular size muffin pan. So these muffin papers got a mind of their own. Honey, they're trying to get up and walk away once the kids put them in. They don't want to stay in. They lifting up, driving the kids crazy. But I'm coming back now, and I'm putting in the batter into these muffin papers. And you see when I do get the batter in, they just settle right on down, honey, and they are okay. But Ava was still a little worried about them. She's like, they keep moving. They're gonna be all right. They're gonna be fine. They're just providing us a little entertainment and a little fun in the kitchen for what we're doing. Yeah, guys, get your kids, your grandkids, your neighbors' kids, whoever. Get you somebody in the kitchen, especially some young people, and let them help you. Y'all can have a little fun. It'll make a memory. Memories last forever, especially those kitchen memories and those memories around food. My kids will remember me long past I'm gone just through our food. I've completed that, and I'm shoving this into a preheated 350-degree oven, letting them just cook. And here they are out. I've got them on a cooling rack, honey, and I have prepared a nice little plate to put them on. And here come the kids back in. Hey, y'all. They come to taste. They come to taste. It's so serious about it too. You see that? Oh boy. Yeah, you like it? Mm-hmm. Oh, now Ava's dancing. And Nicholas is getting a little too old to dance, but they're showing me their thumbs up, you know. That's great, guys. A big 100. Yeah. Look, I want to encourage you to cook with your loved one, cook with your husband, your wife, cook with your kids, your grandkids. You will be surprised at how much fun you can have. And don't worry about mistakes. Let those mistakes happen. Let them slide, honey. That's okay. Yeah, it's part of the fun. I want to thank you guys for coming here and checking on me today. You want to see what I was doing. And you knew now I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I just thank you. And if you're not, please hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell until the parentheses come around it, and that way you know you will be notified every time I put up a new video. Guys, I want to ask you to leave me some comments. I read each and every one of them. I am able to answer only some of them. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media. I want you to give me a big thumbs up. Now that's important. Thumbs up my videos, give them a like, and that'll move me right along in the search engine, and it'll help me to grow my channel. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. Also, I want you to comments, thumbs up, and share the videos. Okay, that's all I need you to do. Thank you. Look, guys, I am on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Check me out over there. I'd appreciate it. And I want to encourage you guys to love yourself, practice mental health. Mental help if you need it. All of us need it at some point, but get yourself right so you can love yourself. If you love yourself, then you're better able to love everybody else. And I have people that ask me all the time, well, how do I, just simple ways that I can share my love with people and show them that I love them. Guess what, honey? Share your love by sharing your food. That's right. Share your love by sharing your food. Yeah, when you share your food, they'll know you love them, honey. That's what I come on here and try to do every day, each and every time. I share these great, awesome, vintage recipes with you out of my family because I love you guys. Now, guess what? Bye-bye. Be good. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.